Hey guys, let's talk some more about float switches.
It's summertime and any good AC guy is going to be flush with Benjamins right now, or in my case Washingtons. So I went out and bought a few float switches to see what we could find out about them. Of course, this is the one I did the video on Sunday, which trips very easily when water runs through it. This is a Diversitech CS1. Now here's the CS2, the old style. I haven't seen the CS2 in this style, but I'm assuming it's going to be about the same thing, or maybe they won't even make it because you can put a plug in that and do the same thing. This is the old CS1s. Much different float mechanism. So these are the Diversitech line. This is Rector Seal. This is the SS1 switch. And this is our Easy Trap 225 switch. This is the same switch that comes with the clear Easy Traps that has the brushes and everything with them. This is actually the one I'm going to start using, I believe. I've used a few of them already. I have a lot of these out there, and they've been no problem. So I've got a couple of these in stock I'll keep in case you go out to a job where the switch has failed and you want to just plug it right back in the same cup and move right along without cutting any pipe. I won't be buying any more of these unless they redesign it. I've never used one of the SS1s here. I noticed somebody on my last video commented that's what they use, so we're going to try it out too. I may go ahead and stick this back in the pan just for anybody that hadn't seen the last video and don't want to fool with watching it, and show you how easily it trips when water runs through it. So I'll start with this one. We'll even try this old switch to see how it worked. I never had a problem with it, so I never had any reason to see. It sets pretty deep down in the pocket down there as well, so I don't know, it may trip, you know, easy too, but at least it resets, or it has in the past. And then we'll try out these two, which again, I've used this one, never used this one, so we'll see how these perform. Okay, here's the switch I did the video about. It's the new Diversitech CS1 switch. The cool thing is it has a little LED here to tell you when it's tripped. The bad thing is it doesn't take much to trip it, and it didn't always reset. As you can see, it doesn't take much movement at all. To trigger it. Let's take a look at the other switches and see how they work. Here is the old style CS1 switch. These are the ones I've put in for years and never really had trouble with. Let's see how much water they'll take. They do go off pretty easily. Maybe the way it's made keeps it from hanging up like the other one, I don't know. It's still got more movement than the little red one. So now we're going to test the Easy Trap switch. Just going to pour water into the pan to see how much water we can run through it until it trips. Of course, you can see when the Easy Trap trips because it has that little top on it. And I had it over half full and it didn't trip. So if I can get it zoomed in there. So you can see the switch down in there. So when it's tripped, it's over halfway full. So that's why that switch does just such a good job. This is what the Easy Trap switch looks like out of the cup. Plenty of movement there. And like I say, it doesn't have a light, but you can easily tell by pushing down on this if it's floating or bobbing. You know the switch is tripped and the trap is full of water. The cup that comes with these can be either ran horizontal or vertical. So you have both options with one cup here. Like it comes with a plug as well, so you can actually use it as a dead end safety switch on the secondary. And this is the safety switch, which tells me on the box that it's the most reliable switch on the market. Let's see how much water it'll take. It'll take all you can put at it. Again, you got plenty of room beneath the float and around the float for water to come through without triggering the switch. This is what this switch looks like out of the cup. It must have a magnetic switch, a reed switch inside there that triggers. Again, you get quite a bit of movement before it trips. So why use in the future? I think either one of these rector seal switches would be fine. They seem to have more movement before they trip. They seem to be well built. This one has a visual indicator so you can tell when it's tripped. This one may be a more durable switch with the enclosed reed switch set up. It also comes with this little, I guess, a clean out tool. It's kind of soft. I didn't show you that, but it's in there, and it's soft enough to where you can stick it down in the pipe to blow it out. So I'm thinking rector seal good, Diversitech not so good.
Thanks for watching.